Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G32 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search we'll enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK in the left down corner. So now we could see about the information about temperature of my device, that's 33 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.